but turns out we didn't have garlic on hand. So now we're making a mug cake. Poured a cup of flour. That made a mess. Plus 1.5 teaspoons. 1 and 1/2 teaspoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Dash of salt. I don't know how much is in a dash, but I assume that much. 2 tablespoons of butter. Tablespoons of milk. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The other half of the half. We're gonna stir it. Let's stir until it's smooth. And then we add some sprinkles. Oh, I added too much, but we stir it in anyway. Yeah, that's good enough. Then we microwave. 90 seconds. We will not wait here for 90 seconds, but look, it is microwaving. I'm legally prohibited from being within 900 yards of a lighter. But I have a candle.